Hello guys, some information here. We're gonna replace the battery on a Jeep remote, or some of the Chrysler and Dodge. They have the same remote, so it'll be the same way to remove and replace the battery. So first thing, I already removed this one because it was a little hard to remove it. So if you see this little pin right here, you just move it to the side, on the left side, and then this thing, it'll come out, the emergency key. So the way to remove it, I use the same key. So I just stick it inside right here in this hole where the metal key came out, and the second hole right here, I'm just gonna stick this one and then just move it to the side really hard. Okay, there you go. So here we have it, and then just open it up right here, and then the battery inside. So just gonna gently, the screwdriver or something that you have at home, and then here's the battery number CR2032. So, and then we're gonna put it back. Remember, don't put it backwards. If not, it's not gonna work. So right here there's a plus sign, and so we're just gonna stick it back in, and then we're just gonna put this one right here. Then we're just gonna push it hard. We're just gonna push it hard. That's it. And then I'm gonna stick this back. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Take care.